DigiOnTrack is a research project funded by the German Federal Ministry for Digital and Transport, which aims to improve the future viability of rural rail transport. Together with 3 companies, the Immersive Reality Lab will implement a solution with the use of sensors, artificial intelligence, and shared data use. The economic success of railway transport is strongly dependent on the cost for the maintenance of the rail infrastructure and locomotives. Particularly in rural areas, a balanced relationship between existing capabilities and new investments is to be strived for. DigiOnTrack investigates how effective structure-borne sound measurement methods can be used for the inspection and maintenance of the rail infrastructure and locomotives. Our task is to develop an artificial intelligence that analyzes sensor data and can thus generate recommended measures for the maintenance of rail infrastructure and locomotives. This is accompanied by a user-friendly interface through which the employees of the railroad companies can cooperate with us. In the long term, the project aims to reduce the cost of maintaining rail infrastructure and thus to improve the economy of the train industry in rural areas. This will make the use of rail transport more accessible and attractive for the population.